So a few weeks ago, I did a driving tour of this new Arcadia community here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. There are 3 builders, and I promised you a tour of the Mungo models, which is one of my favorite builders, not only in this community, but also in Myrtle Beach in general. And when I give you a tour of this home, you're going to be seeing why. So I'm currently standing in their Fullerton floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 3 full-bathroom home. You can see there's tons of natural light coming into this home. There's a lot of other great features, and we're going to get into it right now. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel, I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and I'm a real estate agent, so of course I talk about the real estate. So if you are thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area. So if you ever have any questions, or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. As always, we're starting off this tour here in the front of the home, and you might be thinking this home looks a little bit weird, and that's because it doesn't have a garage door, because like many model homes, they're using this as their sales office, and their offices are in the garage, so they just have big glass windows. You have a really nice entranceway in this home, and then you're immediately greeted by your first bedroom and full bathroom. Now, what I really like about this floor plan is all 3 of the bedrooms are separated. So you have this bedroom here in the front, the primary is in the back, and then your 3rd bedroom is upstairs. Now, Mungo does have another floor plan that is very similar to this one. It's a little bit different, but same sort of concept where it's a 3-bedroom, but the bedroom in the front is more like a second primary with its own true ensuite. So if you're interested to see what that looks like, let me know and I can show that one to you. Then as you get into the main living space here, you can see it opens up. You have open concept between the living room, kitchen, and dining room, though the dining room is slightly separated off of the back. You have really high ceilings here in this main living space, which gives it a really nice feel. As you can see, there's tons of counter and cabinet space in this kitchen, even with the gourmet kitchen option and the wall-mounted ovens there in the corner. Now, this laundry room here off the kitchen is going to give some people envy. Just look at how many extra cabinets and the extra counter space that you have in here. So if you're somebody who has a lot of appliances that you like to tuck away, you're definitely going to enjoy that extra storage space. And you do have a full-size pantry here as well. And then the dining room that's tucked away in the back here is a very nice space. A lot of times when you have this eat-in dining area here, they are a little bit cramped and tight, but you have plenty of room on all sides of the table here, and you still have that nice open concept feel. And before we head into the primary suite here, I have some more storage to show you. So tons of storage options here on the first floor, and there's some even better options up on the second floor as well. Now again, this home here is called the Fullerton. It's a little bit over 2,100 heated square feet, and Mungo has like 14 or 15 different floor plans to choose from in this community, ranging from around 1,600 square feet all the way up to over 4,000 square feet for their biggest home. Now, the price point for the Mungo homes in this Arcadia community are going to range anywhere from about $375,000 or $380,000 on the low end, all the way up to just under $600,000 on the high end. And as we head back into the primary bedroom, again, just check out how much natural light is coming into this home. There are a ton of windows, and it really gives the space a nice feel. Now, as we head upstairs here to check out the last bedroom and the last bathroom, you'll notice even more windows here in the stairwell, which again is a nice touch. A lot of other builders would have just left that as a blank wall. So you have another nice storage closet here at the top of the stairs. And then right behind this closet here is where you're going to find that last bedroom up here on the 3rd floor. And again, in this floor plan specifically, it's very nice how all of these bedrooms are separated from one another. The The one in the front's a little bit small, but this one up here and the primary are both very good sizes. You have another full bathroom up here as well. And then you have some more storage space up here where the HVAC systems are. Normally, you're only going to get one system in here, but because they do have the office in their garage, they do have a second system. And if all of that storage wasn't enough, you have another little hidden space here behind this half door. So if you're somebody who has a lot of decorations and you have a lot of extra stuff that you're bringing with you, maybe you're used to having a basement wherever you're coming from on the Northeast, then this one might be a great option for you. Now we're going to head outside onto the patio to finish things up. You will notice that there's a fireplace option out here as well as one inside of the home as well. So it is nice to have both an inside and an outside option for that. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this Mungo home tour here. If you want to see the bigger model that they have across the way, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're ready to find your home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. As always, you can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.